Welcome back to Car Riftar, where style meets performance and where we bring you the most exciting and insightful car reviews on the planet. Today we're diving into a modern icon reborn, an open-air experience that blends nostalgia with futuristic flair. This is the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle Cabriolet. The Beetle is back and it's bolder, sleeker and more refined than ever. But what happens when Volkswagen takes the charm of the classic Beetle and adds a premium cabriolet twist plus modern engineering and tech? You get this: an irresistible sun-loving companion with a distinctly retro soul and a thoroughly modern mind. Let's jump in and explore the performance, design elements, tech, and what truly makes this car stand out in today's automotive landscape. The 2025 Beetle Cabriolet retains its unmistakable silhouette, rounded curved circular LED matrix headlamps, and that iconic sloped rear end. But this isn't just a nostalgic rehash. It's sharper, more purposeful. The front fascia has been slightly widened and lowered for a sportier stance, integrating active aero vents and a honeycomb grille for a subtle yet dynamic effect. The chrome detailing around the lights and body lines adds a touch of elegance, while the redesigned soft top now folds faster and quieter than before. In just 9 seconds at speeds up to 30 miles per hour. Volkswagen offers 8 unique exterior colors, including a vibrant sunset coral, glacier white metallic, and our tester today deep sea blue. Add in the optional two-tone paint and heritage-inspired wool designs and you've got a car that feels just as home at a vintage drive-in as it does on a modern city boulevard. Step inside the Beetle Cabriolet and you're greeted with an interior that's both playful and posh. Volkswagen has gone all in on blending heritage aesthetics with modern minimalism. The color-matching dashboard, circular air vents and chrome toggle switches pay tribute to the original Beetle. But look again and you'll find a 12.9-inch floating infotainment touchscreen, a 10.5-inch fully digital driver display and ambient lighting in over 30 color options. The seats are plush, available in eco leather or Alcantara with optional heated and ventilated front seats. Rear passengers won't be too cramped either thanks to redesigned seat contours and an extended wheelbase. Comfort is key here. With the top down you can activate the AirScarf neck warming system, similar to what you'll find in high-end convertibles from Mercedes. That means cool morning drives won't freeze your neck off. Volkswagen's latest MIB4 infotainment system is intuitive, fast and stylish. It includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built-in navigation with real-time traffic and over-the-air update capability. There's also a premium Harman Kardon sound system available with 10 speakers and a trunk-mounted subwoofer. So whether you're cruising with the top down or stuck in city traffic, your tunes will always sound crystal clear. Voice recognition has been upgraded too. Just say "Hey Volkswagen" and you can adjust temperature, change music or ask for directions, all hands-free. Under the hood, the 2025 Beetle Cabriolet is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 producing 201 horsepower and 236 lb-ft of torque. That may not sound like sports car territory, but remember, this car is light, nimble and built for responsive driving. Paired with a 7-speed DSG dual-clutch transmission, it launches from 0 to 60 in just 6.7 seconds. The shifts are snappy and seamless, making city driving feel smooth and spirited. Backroad runs downright fun. There's even a sport mode and paddle shifters if you want more control, and thanks to the reworked suspension and a lower center of gravity, it hugs corners far better than any Beetle of the past. You might not expect it from a Beetle, but this car has some real bite to it. Whether it's the smooth throttle response, the turbo whistle, or the confidence it gives you in corners, this is a cabriolet that knows how to dance. With the roof-up, cabin insulation is impressive, keeping wind and road noise to a minimum, and when it's down, wind buffeting is well controlled thanks to an optional wind deflector behind the front seats. Volkswagen's adaptive dampers allow the ride to adjust depending on road conditions and drive mode. Comfort mode soaks up bumps like a small luxury car, while sport firms everything up just enough for spirited driving. The 2025 Beetle Cabriolet isn't just fun, it's smart. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and autonomous emergency braking. Optional tech includes a 360-degree camera system, automatic parking assist, and traffic sign recognition. Now let's talk numbers. The base 2025 Beetle Cabriolet starts at around $31,500 USD. Our fully loaded test model with the R-Line package, upgraded sound system and advanced driver assists clocks in at about $39800. That it's not the cheapest drop top out there, but it offers far more personality and tech than many in its class. And for those who want style, heritage and open-air freedom without diving into luxury car pricing, it's a compelling package. In an automotive world increasingly obsessed with crossovers and conformity, the Beetle Cabriolet stands as a joyful top-down rebellion. It's more than a car, it's a statement. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle Cabriolet. That if you're looking for a car that brings joy to your daily drive, stands out in a sea of sameness, and gives you that unbeatable wind in your hair feeling, this just might be your perfect match. Let us know what you think in the comments. Would you daily a modern Beetle Cabriolet? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell for more automotive deep dives from Car Riftar.